Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up product title optimization using ChatGPT prompts, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the importance of product title optimization. A well-optimized product title can significantly improve your visibility in search results. First, identify the primary keywords relevant to your product. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ubersuggest to research popular terms. Next, create a list of these keywords. Once you have your keywords, head over to ChatGPT. Start a new chat and introduce your product. Clearly describe your product's features and benefits. Now, ask ChatGPT for suggestions on product titles. For example, you can say, "Can you help me create optimized titles for a wireless noise-canceling headphone?" Review the suggestions provided by ChatGPT. Choose titles that align with your brand voice and target audience. Now, refine the titles if necessary by combining elements from different suggestions. Ensure the titles are concise yet descriptive. Consider the character limit, typically around 60 to 70 characters, for optimal display on various platforms. Once you have finalized your titles, test them in real search scenarios. Check the search volume and competition for each title. This can help you decide which title provides the best chance of ranking high. Make adjustments based on performance data over time. Repeat this process periodically for continued optimization. Finally, document your titles and optimization strategies for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.